I'm Dr. Jessica Fritz at Root Therapies. Today I wanted to talk about a few ways that you can clean the air in your home or office. Most people know about diffusers. This is a favorite one of mine, and so it's simple to diffuse some very common essential oils that will function as antibacterial and antiviral in the air. Common ones are lavender, eucalyptus, and then frankincense. Frankincense is one that I don't really diffuse in the air as often, but they can be used topically with a carrier oil such as coconut oil or jojoba oil. Frankincense is something you can use if you're feeling like you have a slight fever or a sore throat. A lot of times I'll have my children put that on their neck near their lymphatics. You can also use it on acupuncture points. So there's one at the crook of your elbow called large intestine 11 that's classically used to clear heat from the body. In addition to essential oils, you can also use herbs to clear the air. This is a mixture of 8 different herbs that are used to treat any kind of viruses in the air in China. You can boil them in water, which is going to steam and fumigate the inside of the house, or if you can grind them up, make them into a powder, as we did here, to carry around in little satchels. These are just some common ideas and some herbal ideas that you can use in your home to keep the environment as clean as possible during this time. Thank you.